This video will explore the common reasons for the iPhone yellow screen of death and provide several simple and effective solutions to help you quickly restore the normal screen display. Part 1. Why is my iPhone screen yellow? The yellowish screen on your iPhone may be caused by several factors, including incorrect night shift settings, true tone display, outdated software, hardware damage, or auto brightness settings. Each of these can lead to a yellow tint on the screen. Part 2. How to fix iPhone yellow screen of death. Here are 10 effective ways to fix the iPhone yellow screen of death. You can try them one by one. Solution 1. Turn off the night shift mode. Step 1. Head to your settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Proceed to display and brightness. Step 3. Select night shift. Turn off manually enable until tomorrow, and disable scheduled if it's enabled. Solution 2. Disable True Tone. Step 1. Start by opening the Settings app. Step 2. Then navigate to Display and Brightness. Step 3. If True Tone is enabled, just toggle the slider from green to gray to turn it off. Solution 3. Adjust the color tint. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size. Step 2. Tap on Color Filters. Step 3. Turn off color filters. If you still need to use them, you can adjust the tint slider until you achieve a more neutral color. Solution 4. Turn off the auto brightness feature. Step 1. Open Settings, Accessibility. Step 2. Tap Display and Text Size, then toggle off auto brightness. Solution 5. Adjust Reduce White Point. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, Reduce White Point. Step 2. If this feature is enabled, try adjusting the slider until the color returns to normal. You can also directly turn it off. Solution 6. Force restart the iPhone. iPhone 8 and newer, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 7 Plus, press and hold volume down and side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, press and hold the home and top or side buttons until the Apple logo appears. Solution 7. Update iOS. Step 1. Head to the settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Choose Software Update. Step 3. Check for any updates available. If there's an update, it'll show on the screen. Step 4. Click the Install Now option to download the update. Wait patiently for the process to finish. Solution 8. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Please note that this process will erase your data, so make sure to back up your device beforehand. Step 1. Power off your iPhone and connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Put your device into recovery mode by pressing and holding the appropriate button. Step 3. Once your device enters recovery mode, open iTunes or Finder on your computer. Step 4. In the pop-up window, click the Restore button to begin restoring your device. Solution 9. Use iOS System Recovery. If the iPhone's yellow screen issue continues, it may be due to deeper system corruption. In such cases, using professional tools like iOS System Recovery can help fix the problem without losing data. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer. After that, launch it and click on iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a lightning cable. Click Trust as prompted, then tap the Start icon. Step 3. Ensure your device information, like name, model, etc., is correct. Then choose the recovery mode you want to use to repair your device, either Standard Mode or Advanced Mode. You can choose Standard Mode, which doesn't erase your data. After doing that, click on the Confirm icon. Step 4. Hit the Repair button at the lower part of your screen to download the firmware to start the repair process. Solution 10. Contact Apple Support. If the issue persists, it's time to contact Apple's support. The problem may be hardware related, and Apple's technicians can help resolve the yellow screen issue using the proper tools.